Okay, let's see if anyone can score against the greatest goalie ever.
Setting up the shot.
No!
Timer.
Boo, you didn't even move! Hey! Settle down there. Do that after the game.
One timer. Get it out of the air because I can't get the goal. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna jab it.
You broke his arm!
Heads up! Hey, move. Heads up! Head move! No, you fuck! Oh, he took out half the target.
His legs are still standing.
Michael, go.
Whoa!
Yeah! Yeah! Well, I can't get that out of here. There we go. That's a lot of fucking smell. Oh.
Yeah, I packed it really tight.
Yeah, you're right. Well, I'm gonna plead the fifth on that one. Whose is this?
Mine.
Your mother's.
Now he's only a pile of snow. He lived a short life. Oh well.